How to fix WhatsApp camera. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix the camera for WhatsApp. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix the camera for WhatsApp, it's very simple. First of all, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated WhatsApp, what I want you to do is not open WhatsApp, but you can open settings. And as you open settings over here, you want to go to the option called apps. Once you go to apps, on the list of these apps, you want to simply search for WhatsApp. If you don't find it, then you can also simply use the search box at the top. Just go ahead and select WhatsApp. As you select WhatsApp, go to the option called storage. And once you go to storage, just in case, I will recommend you to clear the cache. Do not tap on clear data, because that is going to delete all of your WhatsApp data. Once you've done so, come to the permissions tab, and since we're having camera issues, we will simply select camera right over here. And once you select the camera option, make sure that it is set to allow, because if camera is set to don't allow or ask every time, it means that the WhatsApp application is lacking the camera permissions. You want to make sure that you've allowed the camera permissions in order for the WhatsApp app to function properly and make some video calls or audio calls or anything as such that you wish. And hopefully this video helps solve your problem as to how to fix the camera on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.